guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the bundles TikTok trend, which is a really easy trend. I think we're going to learn it in 2 minutes or less because it's really short. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to do it 4 times. We're going to sway to the side, and our hand is going to do like a thumbs up. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not going to be that fast, so you don't really have to worry. Just do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to have enough time. So after that, you're going to put your right leg in front of you. You're going to go 1, 2. So just your hands go down like that while you twist your leg. So 1, 2, and then you're going to clap twice. 1, 2, while you also twist your leg. So once again, from the very beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, clap, clap. And then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to do a small jump. Well, it's not even a jump. You're just going to bounce a little bit, and you're going to put your right knee up. So 1, and you're going to hit it with your right hand, like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your right leg in front of you, and you're going to go, put your hands together, and you're going to do 1, 2. That's it. That's the whole dance. So let's do it from the very beginning twice. First we're going to go slow, then we're going to go fast, and we're done. So let's go. First slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Clap, clap. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. And now the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Clap, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Go follow me on TikTok, and I hope to see you soon.